Maybe I am too straightforward person and you can tell it's cross.
So to start off, my hair is really messy right now because it's literally, let me show you guys what time it is. It is 2:20 a.m. I'm just tired, but I really wanted to film this video for you guys, so we're going to do this because I'm not gonna waste my makeup. So first things first, we're going to part our hair. You can part it however you'd like, but particularly for this particular look, I think it's best to part it a little bit more extra to the side than you usually do. So like that. And then I noticed that in her hairstyle, her braid is it's small, it's kind of small. So you want to take around, I want to say like this much, and start doing just a normal braid. And I'm gonna stop around here because she didn't have her braid go all the way down either. Take a rubber band and tie it. Play around with it, make it a little bit more messy. I'm gonna make the top part a little bit more messy so it can just blend into my hair a little bit better. Like so. This is actually kind of cute so far. And I haven't even done anything yet. So what I actually recommend you guys buying if you're going to recreate this look, I'm going to leave a link to it down below. They are these flower clips. I actually bought these on Amazon. It came in a pack of 120 for $5. Literally, you guys, I am such a cheap person. I'm not going to be splurging on like a bunch of clips for a video because I'm not even a YouTube partner. Your girl makes no money when I film. So we're balling on a budget here. Anyways, even if you're balling on a budget anyways, this is the best deal you can get. Like I looked on eBay, I looked on Amazon. These are the cheapest clips that you can get for like, this was the best deal, honestly. It was $5 for 120 clips. If you search around on eBay and Amazon, they'll either have different types of clips, not even the exact ones that she has, or they'll have the exact ones, but they're like a lot more expensive for a lot less clips. I don't know why. But this entire package, it actually comes with clips that are very, very identical to hers, almost the exact same colors. And basically what you'll need are mini little clips, like mini little flower clips, because that is what she used. What you wanna do is take the green one, like a dark green one, and start placing it on. Then you wanna take the neon green, place it next to it, a lighter pink color, a turquoisey green color, a red flower, a yellow one, an orange, a yellow one, like that. And then last but not least, the blue one. And I'm actually, since I used a little hairband, I'm actually gonna put it where I placed the headband. And that's literally it, you guys. This is the finished style. It's really, really simple, really easy. This is the finished creation. I hope you guys liked this video. Be sure to subscribe down below. It honestly would help me out so much. And give this video a thumbs up. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye!